Hey, what's up, guys? This is Junior. No. Hi. We just got here. We came to fish. We have caught like 5 fishes, and it's a pretty windy day. It was a nice day, but as soon as we got here, it turned like this. So so yeah, the babies actually had to come and put their sweaters on. And this little guy right here, he has shorts, but he had to put his pants on because he couldn't take it. And we just caught another one. It's a little one. It's a little one. But these, let me see. Oh, careful. Those, my husband likes them, but like crunchy, like doradito. Yeah. Mama, now you have sandals and you're gonna slip. So yeah, you could see the waves are pretty. There's a lot of waves. That let's just put it like that. It looks like the ocean, yes. Oh look, there goes another one. It's these it's a brim. Oh, there's a little one. Don't let Junior see it, cause then he's gonna want to keep it. I think he already seen it though.
Throw it out.
Ah, he just got it. Junior, ¿qué vas a hacer con esa? ¿La vas a tirar al agua? Sí, tírala.
Déjala ir, papi. Let it go.
Tírala, Junior. Come on.
Let it go.
So, this little man right here. Oh, wow. A ver, enséñalo. Oh, wow. A ver, enséñalo a la cámara. Wow. Tíralo para el agua. Tíralo. Sí, dale. Dale, para que crezca. Dale, en el futuro. Sí, pero tíralo. Tíralo.
Échalo. They gotta get big.
And there's this little one right here. You like it, Mama? Yeah, like I said, my husband likes them. He doesn't like throwing it back into the water because he likes to do it like doradito. I'm not sure how to say that in English. ¿Cómo sería doradito en inglés, lo? Crunchy? Yeah, crunchy. That way he eats all the bones and he doesn't have to be looking like to swallow a bone and get choked. Well, and choke. And then they say, oh, tenemos que tener banana. We don't have banana. And there's another one right here. It's actually not a bad day, but it is cold for him. Oh, look. ¿Tú lo vas a agarrar, Junior? Ah, bueno, tú puedes. Ponlo para allá, pues. Oh, wow. Ven para acá. Ven. Yeah, ¿cuántos ya llevas? 5. Muchos. There he goes carrying the bucket. Yeah. He goes carrying the bucket. Tú no necesitas ayuda, right, Junior? You got it?
I got you.
Careful. Big or small? How? I hope something big. Nothing? The waves?
Yeah. The waves tricky.
Yeah. It's okay though. And you haven't added water. And the blow you see right there is from an armadillo that my husband just killed. How can you say it, love? Killed? Killed, yeah. And that probably will do a tutorial and upload it later. We're not for sure because we don't really have much time today. Right here, nomás nos dimos una escapadita to come and fish, so yeah, because we have a lot of errands to run today. Nada?
I can't hardly throw right there because
Yeah, the wind.
the bush.
Oh, the bushes? Oh. Well, I don't know how you're able to throw it this wind. But yeah. It's a really nice day. But if you're like me, that you get cold easily, like I don't know. But yeah, it is a nice view. But love, you love to fish, right? To you, what would be today? A good day or bad day or so-so? Huh? All right.
Trying to get wet.